Nyeri blogger has been remanded for 7 days in connection with comments posted online that have allegedly rubbed local politicians the wrong way. 23-year-old Martha Wanjiru Miano was arrested on Monday in Karatina after the matter was reported to the police by some county officials and immediately taken to court, after which she was remanded. The incident has elicited harsh reactions from some who see it as the harassment of a blogger who took on political bigwigs.
Let it get very clear to them, whoever is behind this. Today it could be Miano, tomorrow it will be our mother, and these other young men and women. They cannot be intimidated. A time comes when it must get very clear. Kenya is not a police state.
Miss Miano is a blogger who does a lot of Facebooking, a lot of WhatsApping, and yesterday she was arrested. She was arraigned in court yesterday. She has not been formally charged. The police saw an affidavit that they want to retain her to investigate her for some criminal matters, and they sought court's permission to detain her for about 7 days.
If an offense has occurred, the due process in law should be followed, the procedures should be followed, and justice should be seen.